Hi, it's Annie again. Thank you for joining me. Today I'm going to be unboxing a pretty little handbag here. It's the Jet Set Saffiano leather chain crossbody. So I chose this bag because it's an occasion bag. It'll be good for going out to lunch or any day occasion, I believe. And it can transition to the evening for a dinner date, perhaps. So it is the Saffiano leather. There's a chain strap that's nice and short. So it does come with the crossbody strap. This strap is leather. So you can attach that. I'm actually getting it for the shorter strap. I don't believe I'm going to be using the long strap. I do have other crossbodies for everyday usage, so I bought this specifically for an occasion. So if you were to use this as a crossbody, that's where it would go. I shall remove that for now. It's got all the Michael Kors marking on the hardware there. There we go. There you go. Lovely. Nice, very smooth, comfortable. It's not heavy at all. And that is just a nice clean interior. It's just got the one slip pocket here. That's it for the interior, and then the exterior has this slip pocket. Has, true to Michael Kors, a beautiful, gorgeous finish. Easy slide zip, and there you go. The Jet Set small Saffiano leather chain crossbody. I hope this was helpful. Thanks for joining me.